Hello and welcome to issue 17 of Build Your Own 3D Printer. We've got the magazines, we've got a couple of shafts, Y-axis. A quick look at the magazine. Usual red access code. Generative design. Basic component tree. Step into the third dimension. The wheels on the truck. Wheels on truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. More of the design program, the 3D design tutorial, taking care of your joints. Room for the glue, type of joint, socket and joint, Morton and Tennant, that reminds me of. And you can see you can bolt things together or glue. Morton Tennant is an old wooden thing we do with wood really. This is the Y-axis. Has to go there, I think. Yep. Little robot part 1. Medieval helmet. Pinboard alert. Cheesy doorstop. Much filaments. Colour. You get colour for the filaments. And some more bits for next issue 18. Let's go back wherever it was. Here we go. These bits apart. So this is very much like I think this was this is very much like this is issue 17 we're doing, and this is gone off the page now. Here we go. This is issue 16. Basically very same. That's 16, 17, so this is very much the same, apart from but 17 is the next bit. Slowly but surely getting there. I really do need some sort of workbench, but I haven't got anything like that, so okay, so basically it's this. Okay, so basically all I'm doing is fitting this to there, that bit there like so. I'm not really reading, I'm just looking at the pictures quickly. It's pretty simple, this bit. So I'll just put fix those bits into there. They'll probably fall out since I try to put these. Whoa. This is just me doing it. I wonder how they managed to do it in the factory. But they're doing it much faster in the factory. Imagine doing this in the factory. Right? But you do have to do it a lot faster than this. You have to do so many an hour. So you've got like clamps where you can clamp it on with, so you can. There's lots of bits where you have to clamp on. I suppose you have to clamp it on so it's like falling over. I've got no clamps. I'm just using this sofa as my workbench, as you can tell. Okay, so now put this pole in. Oops. Let's just put these. Put this pole in together. This is going to be really fiddly now. Oh dear, that's falling apart already. I knew that would happen. As I said in a previous issue, this is so fiddly. don't really want to use glue because it might mess things up, and glue can get very sticky and it might ruin it, and I don't want to use glue. Two seconds. This is getting so annoying. Oops. Why does the last bit always have to be so difficult? I'm going to stop it there because I'm getting a bit boring to watch this anyway, but I think it's get the idea. Those two nuts go into that little bit. I mean, that's what it should look like. But I think I've got to take this off because next issue is that bit there, and I've got a whole feeling that those two whole bits have got to go into that bit there. So anyway, so this is, I've done those screws, I tightened up those screws in the earlier issue. They're all nice and tightened up now. So I had this bit missing, I missed out on this, so I had to do this bit here, and I've tightened up all those screws, so it's getting along. So that's what it looks like so far. So, and then you've got that motor bit there, which I'll presume probably I should imagine like fixers there somehow. Or maybe it goes, oh no, I think it goes around the other way actually by the looks of the holes. It goes that way, I think, maybe. I don't know actually. I don't know where it goes. There's 4 holes there. I'm trying to look for 4. Or maybe it goes up here. Maybe it goes. No, I don't know. I don't know where this bit goes. But we shall see. I'm not sure where that bit goes, but it goes somewhere. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.